Hi, I'm Paul Bonner, Service Advisor here at Conicelli Hyundai. This October, we've got some great service specials designed to keep your Hyundai safe, reliable, and ready for fall. Fresh tires mean better grip, handling, and safety. This month, buy 3 tires and get the 4th one for just $1. Regular oil changes protect your engine, and rotating your tires extends their life, saving you money over time. With our fall Spend and Save program, the more service you take care of in one visit, the more you save, up to $150 off. Healthy brakes mean safe stopping power. This month, take $25 off your front and/or rear brake service. Take advantage of these October service specials today. Schedule online at ConicelliService.com or simply give us a call. Conicelli Hyundai, a nice place to do business.